What's up, YouTube? Gonna do a quick little tour of my frog room. We'll start down bottom right. Leucomelis. Get the fly. There's two in there. Juveniles. Then we go bottom left. Got the Vanzolinii or Vanzolini. I call them Vanzos because I'm not sure the correct pronunciation on that. Beautiful little frog. Really like their call. There's three in there. You can see two there. This is my newest build. So the moss still needs to grow in. There is a green imitator. Oh, I do see it. There he is. And then we move on to the top right, and the glass is a little condensated, but that's alright. Oh, I do see we got the Southern Variabilis in here. And of course I cannot see and there he goes. We got dogs drinking water. Got a big 72-gallon planted tank. No frogs, just fully planted. And another build over here. There's a little froglet. We'll see if we can see him. Monte Cristo. Oh. Filming on an iPhone. There's a little guy. Bad quality, but there it is. The frog room.